Are you excited about the new Pixel 8 Pro? With its impressive camera, powerful performance, it is one of the most highly anticipated phone of the year. But is it a true Google Pixel or does it Samsung Pixel? In this video, we will dive deep into the Pixel 8 Pro to decode whether it is supposed to be called Google Pixel. Before dive in, come to know what we are going to get it. This time, the Pixel 8 Pro has a more rounded corners compared to the last year Pixel 7 Pro with a less boxy overall appearance. The camera island is different too, even if it is still recognizable as belonging to a Pixel. This time around, it's look like Google chose to house all three cameras in the same old opening in the metal. There is also a new sensor underneath the flash, but at the moment it's unclear what this could be. This time the Pixel 8 Pro will be 12mm thick at the camera bump. The display is said to be around 6.5 inches smaller than the Pixel 7 Pro, but this adjustment has to do with creating more rounded corners apparently. We can also see the power and volume button on the right and the USB-C port and speaker on the bottom, while the SIM tray on the left side. Now moving to the main point, this time the Pixel 8 Pro is expected to be powered by upcoming Google Tensor G3 chipset, which is rumored to be based on unannounced Samsung Exynos 2300 chipset that uses Samsung 3nm fabrication process. Guys, you know Samsung has also opted for less and less curved edges for its Ultra in recent years, and it's appeared that Google is now following in the Korean company footsteps in that regard. That is not surprising consider the fact that Samsung is expected to be supplying the Pixel 8 Pro's display panel. About camera system, this time Pixel 8 Pro will use Samsung biggest ISOCELL Gen 2 sensor, which is 1/1.12 inches in size and has a 50MP native resolution and 12.5MP after being. And this is a big upgrade over last year Pixel 7 Pro. About its camera, display, chipset, everything is made by Samsung. So what do you think? It is a Google Pixel or Samsung Pixel? Please leave the comment in the below and don't forget to press the like and subscribe.